you guys are doing. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night. I, on the other hand, am doing just okay. I'm kind of not feeling too good. I'm having some type of side pain issue going on. But I wanted to go ahead and get on and talk to you guys because I miss you guys and I always love interacting and engaging with you guys. I hope everyone again is having an amazing day. I wanted to get on here and discuss my classes. We having me and my team are having morning and night classes, and you guys are invited. Like, kid you not, okay? And I wanted to, I basically wanted to do this video to let you guys know, because if I don't announce it, you guys will never know about it. So, excuse me, my mouth is dry. But yeah, if I don't mention it, you will never know. So I have a couple announcements to make besides me announcing about the classes. So me and my team are having free classes that you can literally attend. All right. And they are from mornings are Monday through Friday. My night classes are from Tuesday through Thursday. And the time frames for the morning classes is 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And it usually lasts up until probably 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So about, if I have to count, 8, 9, 10, about 3 hours, about 2 to 3 hours our class lasts up to. But you definitely invite. Again, I'm going to repeat the days. It is from Monday through Friday in the morning times from 7 a.m. Eastern to 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern, okay? So if you're in a Central Standard Zone like I am, that would be 6 in the morning for you. So it means in at 9 a.m. Central Time. If you're in the Pacific, that would be, actually that'll probably be 4 in the morning for you. So 4 in the morning for you, that might be a little too early for you, but it would be 4, and it would end probably at 8, let me see, 4. Past 7 in the morning, probably around 7 in the morning for you. Again, a little too early, but you know, you never know. You might be, that might not bother you at all. You might be already up at that time frame. And if so, why not attend a morning class? And again, our night classes are Tuesday through Thursday. And the time frame for that, it is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So Central 8, my Pacific would be 6, I believe, 6 p.m. So if that time will work better for you, then you're more than welcome to attend. Now, how can you attend? Well, you'll definitely need to reach out to me for sure if you want to attend. Just connect with me, get connected with me. You can text me. My telephone number is area code 918-361-5117. You can reach out and text me and say, I would like to attend your class. And I would get you set up. Okay. It's that simple. It's really that simple. It's not complicated at all. I promise you. Now, what is the classes about? Well, it's about learning about crypto and learning about Forex. Okay. Something that is becoming more and more popular, more and more, where more people is using it. Businesses uses it. Business companies are using it. If you're starting to see, they're starting to use Bitcoin as a form of payment now. Come on, guys, you gotta wake up. I know you're seeing all this happening, and you can do so much, guys, and you can learn so much with trading. Okay, so that is what it's technically all about. And if you would like to learn more, because literally this is a skill set you will not, like, once you've learned it, you good, like, kid you not, okay? And it is a way that you can literally be able to make a passive income off of, okay, by it once you've learned the skill set. But it is a skill set that you will have to learn. And all my services is it's for educational purposes. So it's educating you. No one is trading for you. You're being educated to learn the skill set yourself, and you will actually want to learn the skill set once you have once you are aware and have the knowledge of knowing about this skill set, which is trading. You will want, once you see it for yourself, seeing it in action for yourself, this is a skill set you will want to learn for yourself. Okay, because that's the first thing I did. I promise you, when I first learned about it back in 2017, when I was introduced it by a person that I was friends with on Facebook. Once I've learned it, and within maybe my first, second month, I was already saying the words is, how can I learn this myself? I want to learn this myself, because I saw the proof, I saw the results, I saw what I needed to see, and I was ready to learn this myself. And you're going to think that you're going to feel the same way. So why not be educated and learn this yourself? And you can. There's no secret way of not being able to know. Okay, so you can know the skill set. Okay, if you're passionate about it, you can learn it. Okay, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not gonna be easy like 1 2 3. It's gonna take time, and it's gonna take consistency on your part. But once you got it, you got it. Okay, and I know this firsthand. Especially, it took me 2 years to get it, but I kept stopping. I kept being a quitter, and quitting doesn't get you nowhere. And I kept quitting, and what kept motivating me is to seeing people's posts, with their posting their results, saying this is what they did, this is what they was able to do on their Measure 4 and things like that. When I kept seeing that is what motivated me. And then I eventually say, you know what, no more excuses. I do want to know this. I do want to learn this myself, and I'm going to learn this myself. And once I said those words, that is what took me to have my aha moment. Okay, otherwise I was not having it, and I quit like 3, maybe even 4 times before I actually had my aha moment. Okay, and that's what, and the reason was because I kept quitting. I literally kept, I'm not going to sugarcoat nothing. I kept quitting. Okay. But this is something that you do want to learn, and you can learn it. Okay. And we teach HFX, which is binary options. We teach that. We educate you on that. We educate you on Forex. We educate you on crypto. So, and drop shipping. I can't leave that out. So with all those things, those are ways of how you can actually earn passive income by learning all of these. Okay, all of these opportunities can earn you passive income, but you have to want it. You have to fight for it if you really want it. And you can do this. You just have to believe in yourself. Okay, if you can believe in yourself, sky's the limit. Okay, I promise you, sky's the limit. Okay, besides that announcement, I hope you attend. I hope you reach out to me, because I'm more than happy to have you to hop on my sessions. Okay, but moving forward, I am also having a monthly email, I should say, like a drawing, giveaway a drawing, where you sign up, which you have to just provide your email. That's it. You provide your email address, or I should say your name. You will have to put your name. It would be easier for me to be able to do the monthly drawing with your name, but I will have your email address also. So that way, that would be my form of way of reaching out to you and messaging you and saying, hey, you won the monthly drawing. But also, I'll be doing the monthly drawing on video, live on video. So heads up there. Okay. So I'm gonna be there will be 2 winners each monthly drawing. So 2 people can win, or 2 people will win on each drawing. The drawing will start in January. So that's coming up. Actually, that's when is January, y'all? That's Saturday. So if I don't make another video before if I don't make another video after this video, I'm just gonna say Happy New Year's early to you guys. Okay, but I might make another video before Saturday, because today is Thursday. Okay, so but if I don't, then I hope you guys have a good New Year's. Okay. But anyway, yeah, so I might have monthly drawings. So the only thing I would need from you is your email address. And you can just go on my website, which KekeCredit.com. Go there. The first tab, just click on that first tab that actually says email. Sign up. It should say email sign up. You can click on that. All you gotta do is just provide your email. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, just your email. Now, again, just your email. But if you can, pretty please, if you do sign up, I'm trying to think how I'm gonna do this. If you sign up, if there's a I don't know how I can make this easier. I don't know. Hopefully your email might have your name on it, so I can kind of, you know, reach out to you, you know, or put your name in the drawing. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But anyway, I do have my website where it's actually, where it's just, the platform is fixed where, all you have to do is just put your email address and that's it. Okay. And you be part of the monthly. Now, what is the giveaway? That's something that's important and I didn't discuss. So the giveaway is it's called Financial Freedom Giveaway, which is a kind of like my little mini course, which you'll get, which it will have a ton of informative information about financial literacy, which is super important. And a lot of people is like totally unaware about financial literacy, but it's a game changer once you have mastered it, once you have figured it out. It'll change your life, okay, financially, okay, and that's something that you do want to start implementing and into your finances, into your so for your financial management. This is something you want to do because you will start seeing positive results with your income, with your expenses, okay? Because financial literacy, it teaches you how to manage your bills, how to manage your emergency expenses. It teaches so much, and it's something that you do want to be aware of, even with your credit scores, okay? So all that is important, and just learning this will help you so much, okay? So that is what you're going to be winning. So once the winner will automatically get the course. All right, I will email you the course to you. So please provide a accurate, correct email address, because some people don't do that because they're so afraid of well, I don't know if I really want to be contacted or not. So if you don't, then you don't really want to win. And I'll probably give people approximately, I don't know, a week to respond to the giveaway, and if they don't, then I will most likely select another person that will respond, okay? But it's just something that I'm doing, and I hope you guys would appreciate it. But it's really just a mini course teaching you, educating you on financial literacy, okay? That's it, nothing more. Oh yeah, and well, I said nothing more, but I take that back. In the course, I will schedule a one-on-one appointment with you, where we can go in a little bit in depth on crypto, and like a portfolio where you can kind of start investing in certain cryptos that you might want to invest in. So we can discuss that. So, and that is totally free. That's part of the giveaway also. That's something I almost left out. Now it's the important part. So yes, I will be doing that as well. So that's another giveaway that's included with the financial freedom giveaway. Is that just me scheduling a one-on-one with you? We can discuss, we can talk, and get you familiar with what crypto is all about. So I hope that all sounds good, but that is part of the giveaway, and I'm doing two winners. It's always going to be 2 winners each month, starting in January. So I will need accurate emails from you, so we can get the ball rolling. Okay. So moving forward from the email, so I feel like I'm missing something. Oh yeah, the book. Hopefully everyone that I already do have your emails, hopefully you already have my Crypto Secret digital book. If you don't have it yet, please reach out to me. All right, but that will also teach you and inform you about crypto and what it's all about, and just all the important things that you need to know about the crypto world. Okay, so you definitely want that book if you want to be more aware. Okay, so that's it. I think I'm going to end it on this note. Like I said, I'm not feeling too well. I don't know why I got this side pain. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, so I cannot wait to do another video. My next video with you guys will probably, I want to do more of an educational video, and just go over the charts with you, because I haven't did that in a while, and I want to do that. And so yeah, so I think that's kind of what I want to do. Okay, hopefully I went all over the place in this video. I just wanted to make some announcements. But yeah, the Zoom classes, you're invited, because I want to help. My goal is to help 50. Actually, I'm gonna be honest, I want to help more than 50, but I'm, trying to be realistic at the moment and just try to, get myself where I'm helping at least 50 people by a certain deadline. I got it for January the 31st. I have reached out and helped 50 people by January January 31st, January the 30th, okay, of 2022. That's my goal, of at least helping 50 people by that deadline. And then, bumping it up, the numbers up. But that's kind of what's my goal at the moment. I really do want to help as many people as possible, to inspire, to educate people, to let them know that you could do anything you want to do, okay? And it's okay if you don't want to do trading, that's fine. Just getting yourself in a position of being aware of what you can do, okay? If you're in a situation where you are not financially doing well, you can change it. You don't have to just sit there and accept the situation, accept what's happening to you at that given moment. You can find ways of changing it, and whether it is whatever you choose to, how you want to figure out a way to change it, that would be up to you, okay? But I have amazing opportunity, amazing academy that can help jumpstart the changes in your life for the better, okay? And if that's something that you want to do, if that's something that sounds good to you, then you definitely want to reach out to me, okay? Because I don't force nothing on nobody, okay? You either, you can accept the offer that I am inviting you, or you don't have to. It's really up to you. But anyway, I think that you would be super amazed about this opportunity. And I have an amazing team, y'all. And I wouldn't just say that, I wouldn't lie to you, because my past experience was horrible when it came, because I'm like, when it came to trading, like I said, I was introduced to trading in 2017, and I had so many bad experiences from then till up until now. Like, I really didn't get connected to my amazing team until this year, to be honest. I want to say it was this year. So yeah, and I think, if I have to be honest, it may have been June, July, somewhere in there, when I got connected to my amazing team. But I'm with the best, okay? And I wouldn't lie to you about that. I'm with the best. All right. So I'm going to head and end it on this note. Have a blessed day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.